What's going on today, everybody? This is Matt. Today is July 18th, 2017 on a Tuesday, and we're in the Ram 2500 four-wheel drive with the 5.7 HEMI. Today we're going to do a quick shakedown of 0 to 60 in the 5.7 HEMI, even though it weighs 8,000 pounds with this big old ranch hand and winch on the front and full of tools under the seat and the toolbox and everything in the back. See if we can get it any faster than the Lincoln Navigator that my wife has, which I think we can. We'll do an exhaust clip and rev and tell me what you guys think down below in the comments. But we're fixing to go ahead and do our 0 to 60. Get my phone out and get ready to time it. We're going to do 0 to 60 in two-wheel drive only. Here we go. Y'all can see it's at 0. Give them some brake torque. There we go. A little bit of wheel spin. Whew. Horrible. 11.6 seconds. May have to do that in 4 high, turn around and see what happens. The old girl's big and heavy and old though. The engine's tired. She got 253,334 miles on it. Let me get you strapped down to the side of the truck, let you hear the exhaust, and tell me what you think about that for the stock exhaust that's 14 years old now. Like I say, everything's held up really well on this truck, and I wouldn't trade it for the world. The only thing I'm going to do is whenever the engine goes, I'm going to rebuild it and make it, if the engine block's still good, no cracks or anything, hopefully a 392 stroker. I just haven't decided whether I want to do a single or a twin turbo setup, and maybe y'all can leave me some comments below on that there too, and tell me what you'd like to see with this project just as soon as the engine goes, which uses very little oil and don't smoke at all, so I don't really see this engine going no time soon. But let me get you strapped down to the side of the truck and let y'all hear the exhaust on this thing here and tell me what you think about it. Well, the 2003 Ram 2500 four-wheel drive with the HEMI, and then we're going to do a quick exhaust clip and see what you think. Every run that I'm doing, everybody, was with everything off, the AC's off, the radio's off, anything that take any kind of electronic drag, any belt drive drag, anything, I turn it off. And y'all remember 11.6 seconds, 0 to 60 with two-wheel drive. Reset it to 0, pull him back into 4 high, brake torquing, and go. .63 seconds. Very, very consistent, just like the Navigator was. If there's anything I could have done different, you guys drop the comments below. Tell me what I could have done different. But like I say, this truck, stock 5.7, 345 horsepower, 375 pound-feet of torque, just over 250,000 miles, no major problems whatsoever except for, you know, the alternator, water pump, general stuff that goes wrong. Tell me what I could have done different, what you'd like to see with them, and tell me what you'd like to see with maybe a build on this thing here just as soon as I can. As soon as the engine goes bad, I'll start building it. But don't forget to leave your comments below. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. And thank you for watching today, and have a great afternoon.